Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm just arriving at Petersham. I'm on C10. We have steam loco 3526 just past Petersham on the down main. Damn it. C3526 was a winner. Let's walk up the track. Let's walk up the platform here. We should have C10 and friend now departing platform number 2, Parramatta service. Should be stopping at Petersham, followed by Summerhill, Ashfield, Croydon, Burwood, Strathfield, Homebush, Flemington, Lidcombe, Auburn, Clyde, Grenfell, Harris Park and Parramatta. Front 4 cars is C10 and the rear 4 cars C9 sister sets. Whilst we have a Waratah passing the up main A69. We should have a case at passing platform number 1, City Circle service. Next stop is Redfern. Front half K71. Sorry, K76. And the rear 4 cars is K78. Another Waratah passing the up main A63. Mate, Tango passing, front half T101. T6 trailing. Just going to show you this Waratah passing. A75 is a set. Just going to show you this carriage here. It's a Series 1 Command. Power car is C3840. Apologies about the fence for you guys.
Then all stations to
just waiting on for C3526 to come back.
Homebush.
There was A67 on an Epping via Strathfield service past the down Suburban. Next up, Burwood. We have S97 and S124 now departing platform number 1 for a City Circle service. Next up is Stanmore. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, Petersham has the orange Sydney train station signage. And that was V27 past the up main. Next and final stop is Central. Oscar set H4 and Waratah A70 past the up main and down up suburb, respectively. That was Waratah Series 1 A17 past platform number 2 for a Leppington via Grenfell service. We have an asset passing, platform number 1. Front half. S66. Rear 4 cars. S139. That is Series 1 Waratah, a 6 pasture down Suburban on its way to Emu Plains. And that was diesel Alco 4403 with steam loco 3526 bringing up the rear, returning to Central Farm roads. We should have a C-set passing platform number 1. Front half C3. The rear forecast is C14. That was K92 and K95 past platform number 2 for a Leppington service. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.